What's up guys, today I'm sharing Svoo, a custom standalone client for Claude Code. This special version comes with a fully uncensored kernel. The best part is that all the AI models are hosted directly on our remote servers, so you don't need to download terabytes of data or weights to your PC. The loader setup establishes a secure bridge to our cluster in just a few seconds. Let's run the loader itself. Once it's running, we need to set up the necessary environment. Okay, let's wait. Great, we've set up the environment, now we need to choose a model. So far, the Opus 4.7 and Sonnet 4.6 are available. So let's choose Opus 4.7 for the test. We need to provide him the project directory. I don't have it, so let's create it now. Great, now you can enter any prompt. Let's ask it if it's uncensored. As you can see, everything works. But guys, I'm not going to show you any illegal tricks in this video. It's made solely for educational purposes. I don't recommend that anyone use this software for illegal purposes. Do so at your own risk. Let's ask the AI to create a simple landing page. Great, it created the file. Let's take a look. Perfect, that's a good result. Let's ask it'll make a simple calculator this time. Guys, please, I'm really asking you to support our project financially if you can spare it. It'll motivate us to keep working hard and bring you new projects. All the details are in the description. See you soon.